Activate your self-healing program. Take a deep breath in and let it go. You are not broken. You are remembering. Inside your body exists a system so intelligent, so responsive that it can rebuild itself, cell by cell, moment by moment. Science calls this homeostasis, your body's constant effort to return to balance. Ancient traditions call it life force or prana. Different languages, same truth. This is your self-healing program. It is active by design, but it becomes powerful when you bring consciousness to it. Every thought you think creates an electrical pattern in your brain. Every emotion you feel releases a chemical signal through your body. Neurochemistry and energy are not separate. They dance together, creating the frequency you live in. When you hold fear or stress, your body contracts. The immune system slows. Healing pauses. When you choose calm, when you breathe deeply, you tell every cell, it's safe to restore. This is not imagination. This is biology. Now bring your attention to the center of your chest, your heart. The Heart Math Institute discovered that your heart generates the strongest electromagnetic field in the body. Its rhythm changes with every emotion you feel. When you focus on gratitude or compassion, that rhythm becomes coherent, a smooth, stable wave. And when your heart is coherent, your brain synchronizes with it. Your entire system begins to heal. Feel it now. Breathe into your heart. Visualize a soft golden light expanding. Say within, I am activating my inner healer. As you say it, neurons fire. Energy shifts. Your biology listens. Quantum biology shows that your cells communicate through light. Tiny particles called biophotons. They pulse with information, carrying the blueprint of your well-being. When your mind is peaceful, these signals become coherent, like an orchestra in tune. When you hold chaotic emotions, the music distorts. So healing isn't just physical, it's vibrational. It's the art of bringing your frequencies back into harmony. Your attention is the tuning fork. Imagine a wave of light moving up from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. This is your life energy, real, measurable, as subtle electromagnetic flow. As it rises, your nervous system recalibrates, your cells reprogram. Every heartbeat, every breath is sending signals of renewal. Healing doesn't come from outside of you. It unfolds from within. When you align mind, emotion, and energy into one coherent field. Take a final deep breath and exhale gratitude. Whisper, my body knows how to heal. My mind and energy are one system. I am the portal to my own restoration. Feel that truth. Trust that truth. You are not learning to heal. You are remembering how. And so it is. Thank you for listening, for choosing to reconnect with the wisdom that already lives within you. Until next time, be gentle with your energy and keep returning home to the healer within.